Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change Instagram username, and now let's dive right in. Now to change Instagram username, first open up your Instagram app, and over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner guys, and over here again you can see the three lined icons at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three lined icons, and over here again you will be required to tap on the account center at the top of the screen, and over here tap on the profile section which is at the top, and over here guys tap on your Instagram account, and over here guys you will be able to find the username which is just below your name. Tap on username, and over here guys you will be able to change or edit your username, but it must be available. You can see I had entered my username this one previously, but in order to change it, let's add some numbers and let's tap on the tick mark, and you can see guys the username is available, and the moment you tap on the done button at the bottom of the screen, your username will be changed. And guys, this is how to change Instagram username. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.